Hey guys, and welcome to CRO Insights episode number 44. And in this episode, our client sells luxury bedding sets online with an industry set to hit 72 billion by 2028. I'm going to show you how we can help these guys turn more clicks into customers. Let's jump into it. Okay, so point number one, we have improved their product images. And this is a little hack. If you see on the left, you'll see the nice product image, but versus on the right, where we've used these clever little tooltips, we can actually use tooltips and arrows to accentuate the benefits and therefore really enhance the value of this product, especially when it's a luxury item. And these little clever tips work very, very well on your images. Point number two is we've added image thumbnails. Now, as you can see in the before, these guys use small little dots. In the after, we've used actual full thumbnails so people can clearly see that there's more images to be seen. It's not a lie that the more images you use, the higher your conversion rate is. So make sure you actually show people that there are more images and make it really friendly on mobile using pointing chevrons on either side, and just get people scrolling through those product images. Point number three is we've enhanced the social proof above the fold. Again, referencing the before design, you just see 5 black stars with a 41 in brackets. But what does that actually mean? Break things down for customers. We've actually mentioned the actual rating, and then we put happy sleepers on the end just to enhance that social proof. Point number four is we've added clear product pricing and savings. This is a little tip if you're doing savings. This is the correct way to lay this out. You have the old price strike through, you then have the new price in bold, and then make sure you have a label that actually does the maths for the consumer. All you're doing is putting it in front of them of how much they're going to save, therefore it seems more like a better deal for the customer. Point number five is we've added inventory and delivery widgets. Super simple to do, icon plus text. We just use a inventory counter that lets people know that it's in stock, and we use a delivery counter that tells them when they can expect delivery of the item. When you're competing against things like Amazon Prime, next day delivery, it's really important that we let your consumer know when they can actually expect this goods in their home. It gives them that visualization of the product turning up at their door, and therefore they're more likely to buy because you just removed the friction of that question in their head. Number six, we've added clear color swatches. Again, if we look at the before, the color is hidden in a drop down. Not only is this now a two-step process, so you have to click the color, drop down, then click the color, but you can't actually visualize the color of the choice itself. So using color swatches that are close enough to the image so that when you select them, the image changes on mobile gives it a much better user experience. People can clearly see the color, and most importantly, it's only one click to select the color they want. And number seven, we've optimized the product selections. Again, instead of using these drop downs that are quite unfriendly, we've just broken it down into clear steps. Select your color, select your size. We've made those buttons super easy for mobile users to just click which option they want. And guys, they didn't even have a size guide. So adding that really nice size guide, again, just stops people guessing what size these products are, eliminates any doubts or questions in their head, and just gets them closer to that add to cart button. Why not check out our channel for loads more before and after breakdowns, and visit ConversionWise.com if you'd like us to redesign your page for higher conversion rates. I will see you on the next video.